I'm MS Pavan. I'm from Mysore. I currently work as a senior data analyst at an e-commerce service providing firm. I mainly work on MS Excel and MS Word as of now. So I thought of learning a new horizons and learning a new skills to upgrade myself in this data analytics field. So what better than Power BI and SQL and Tableau? So it helps us in visualization skills that also aids me. So one of my friends suggested TechTip24 for me. I went through a couple of workshops. I was impressed by teaching skills of Aditi, so I thought I would enroll in that one into this program, and I'm glad I enrolled it. It's a very knowledgeable course for me. It is fun to learn. It's knowledgeable to learn, and I think all the bases of the Power BI and SQL are covered. All the main bases are covered here. So I would certainly recommend my friends or any other colleagues of mine, if they are looking to learn Power BI or SQL or any visualization skills like Tableau, I certainly recommend to that one. And I'm really thankful for Aditi and our whole team for giving me this opportunity to upgrade my skill. That would greatly help me to to grow professionally. So yeah, thank you, Aditi. Thank you very much. I hope that it will be helpful for all other students as it had helped me in my career. I certainly recommend this TechTip24 for all those who look forward to learning Power BI and SQL. Thank you.